Yes.
Uno mubungo kituru cha south. Ngende kituru cha north. No mugaka chimino ali. Whether they like him or don't like him, I cannot participate because you know what he will say.
Yes.
My responsibility no komote ibuna na mote biye kada tuale ngenya buoro banga mugaka iraita punera e problem nero e society ya Murumba abantu baenda bagasoka milioni 8 bakaria Murumba gera affiliated ne society ya Nyamira abana inji abade asenge batagete batuboka baiche mate bache ko set up their own outfit ya society ya Murumba ere bugetu church. Now these are issues which Mheshimiwa Jimmy should handle. Ego fail, then as an MP still have no role. A role now goes to the county government.
Okay.
Agriculture is under the county government. So involve yourself. Of course, politically but nothing will happen. Yes.
Are you thinking anything?
I will most probably
yeah,
win governor. I promise that I will do a fantastic job. I think I know. No, I will then be in a position where by then maybe I'll be 65 or something like that.
Yes.
And again, it depends on whether we have succeeded Matiang'i being a president.
Right.
If he doesn't succeed, then I will go on and move and run for president. President Niki.
Ababunge bande go support bale sana biya abasaye especially asamangana imepira nechi timu. Do you have any initiative which is related? Kombe kia o mumemonyonga tournament.
Rangelia muraba o gatatu mupira na akabuge tutu. Na ite team number 1 500,000, team number 2 250, team number 3 both ya basacha na muranga spend 1.7 million.
Are you supporting Shaban?
Once in a while. Because I want to succeed in what the team sportive, in what the team Gusi Starlets. In fact, they have organized, we have made payments in Story Baz, team which need to judge out. Chile National League.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so Koros where I want to then the one and I support. By the way, ayo polio monta jagwa kresimia ko tebi none mwana yo mito yonde your friend emonyo ade monyo no ari ngeke tu bwade tournament card no date gitige gaichora bwana kagolera bana uniform kagolera ba iseke chi nande this time around nane go chaka tole tournament ru mai to yita ko mutinyo otisa every year twaji gukora December.
Okay.
And this time we go introduce and marathon nije nangeria bana ba minyoke. And we need to do things because
boda no got any project for them. License, we can equipped by driving school. Are you having any arrangement?
Yes, we are using it as CDF so that to encourage the license is good. Montave trained. I've already organized the Boda group here and then I'm coming to here a township. We are talking in a group normally. So now I'm ready. We have agreed. There is no problem, and I think the next 2-3 months groups. The only thing I've been asking you and our border set your groups more amo and move together. They are always splintering. So I've asked them I think but I'm saying let us have leadership who are responsible. All border they are responsible, and I have been encouraging them. Let us move. I mean that is the natural progression.
Your honest opinion.
Yes.
You are widely traveled. I know not only Kenya but but I want us to focus on Kenya. What are rich county?
Yes.
How can you rate Kisii County? Korengana nich county chino wara atari kwarore ntu biara bere kuruma kweni gaga nich county chinde chiko tumekuna chimodel. How can you rate Kisii County?
See, you ngakinda yereti.
Na itoberete.
No, we are above average. Maybe 51%. We are above average. I know expectation chino is that we should have done better, but I've been thinking about the issues Chia county government. And this is researching because in case I'm a governor, I have to understand. There were things which we don't be
it's okay.
Maybe in Dombiro be ready we cover unabono inche one.
Yes.
ekare nkwagache klasi ya skuru kongotumia siringi 1700 county government ekare bakwagache klasi bagotumia siringi milioni 3
The same classroom.
same classroom kere 30 by 30. It is because county government reach ikoli ko bateba to bakole tendering.
By the way,
Kwara
very blame ndinga turi kwa bantu tenda bwana.
Chibesa onko ira na skuru committee na bate agaje birasi ngikuru ere tenda ete tende inero yagorire county kende kitaiko koru. Na kiora ire chibesa omuntu akondere simiti at 1400.
What is your reasoning behind it, by the way?
Simiti ere 1400 ikere tenda. Bakolika ni babeka the lowest yabo 1400. Ne simiti kere 620.
Is that it?
Of course. Ngikuru ere tenda. Kimanyete litaboli ere siringi 10 na bate imenta live 12 muri ere siringi. Nkiyokoli ere siringi 10 ese litaboli. Ngikuru ere tenda ekero omuntu akonde binga etrasi ye blue gum ni manyete gere 24.
Mulingam.
Mulingam. Omanya konde trasi ekere tenda yaba 74. Kyo konde tindi kobeka tenda. Chibesa nkoira nae committee yesu kuna bate biagacha.
Is it effective? Yeah, Kodrigas.
Ngakibago te to have done wonders. We have done incredible stuff.
By the way, the county government could be spending 2 million
yes.
classroom.
700,000. That's the problem. You can't see much. But if there was a system, as a tendering yetally mandatory, then the county government can reduce the wastage. I don't tender and from Kenao, Kenya National Audit Office. Yes. Yes, with tendering was not done, but value addition is 100%. They did a classroom at 7 million shillings. The government says build a classroom at 1.2, and I'm doing at 700. So I do 2 classrooms at 1.4. Ngora akere kura. No yo kole tenda ko so yo tayo kole tenda.
Igwinse kobe governor magana ichi tenda
out chipara half ngo chikora using yeke ntoko ko PMC. Ndiko chikora okoru half je chikwa tigamba tangazere bono iga half je chipara ochigoko chikokoro ne tender. The other half I will buy machine, I'll buy equipment, I will do my own roads. You can't move if you believe in those things.
Mwishime kwanda lingana lyo moelio chinsa chia elire kekando chetodi tekebere chioka.
Aba usiwa mindona alwa.
Mwana bonyonka.
Ona itaga kisii FM.
Ona atikatika. Kwa kwana igoro yo muragi by the way mutekio yo.
Aye tokubolia mwana oyo mindo mwana olia. Emonyo tokubolia emonyo. Jenege chembene. Tochanue. Jenege chembene kyo mubania usiyo goro kusakawa. Sakawa igaruete gali gesoni angena musojo. Onyo kumanyito mugako yopenda. Oyo reta onia. Oyo penda tatamoki. Orona era ini nere iri. Bone sokuru yito sokororia sakawa tigito mutenoraria. Abande na gwete mbagite ko yuri banyo butore monya go chandeka mutenoro go chabwana. Ayo manyeta asovera. Inje manyete sole bweke gusinko enda nayo ligereria. Obwate chinsagia narume chinsasi narigere yo mutori yali manyete kire gento kerebuya kerenda ile butukwe kondenga ya muishuri ile ngoro ende rokomasi rero karati kanyagite takaribisha yagita okorigere ne lisolive mutigo uri no muntu bona igegente kyo matiangi kebwate ya omutio nabo moto yote omugakanya chae garueto iraini eri anyandusi bwata no guchabuya umuchibwa yakombu yabantu bagukwana basi bakyo moto tebe omuto ntebe tie bintu bire buya tata mugusingo charamo tusie kobweri togosie kobweri pi tobeke chindigi korunyamira eto tokoyanyamira neto ya bosongo toichamo libo ero toikaranze tomanya gotebia abantu baisi kunga sukiegeche ninchuto nyorane ngai tokumerana ninchuto nyorane manga stadium moto tebi ngai kimoko mubusi tomanya ko bachi kuri kitu kiza cyaro mwishimye seseni wa mono asante sana naende karibu asenka yomugusi tokocha ko find time naende ochocha tokocha gocha nabongocha ekare mubwa I'll try ninteme aliginjara na I know you are a busy man. Thank you. Please spare some time with us. Nyasaba sesenia minto mwensi mbiamona bagitu chacho ba mate mbiamono chipara jiri salege tentigere mu maite ngo sukumande bine terika sinene ratusinye yasaba seseni mwensi mbiamono sana mwancho mutekera twarengero mweshimiwa okorokwanga Richard Momoy Monyonka mu bunge okitutu chache South twakwandira magana mange sana asante sokotekera mwancho mutekera nkwira nande chatnyare kugenderamo nayo mwancho mutekera chinsa isano elitari anenche niko nkoro kwa Ronald Maya kumurobeli yokorokwanga
subscribe, comment, and share. Kisii FM TV, Eka Yomokusi. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Cristo